Welcome to the ESET tutorials for home users and small offices. Today, we'll show you how to activate identity protection, available with your ESET Home Security Ultimate subscription. Let's get started. It's super easy. Log into your ESET Home account at home.eset.com or open the identity protection tile available under your ESET security application, which will take you directly to ESET Home. Once logged in, click Members. Only the subscription owner can activate identity protection. Choose the account owner. Now select Identity Protection and click Add Protection. Next, choose a subscription. For security purposes, you'll need to set up a password within ESET Home instead of logging in through platforms like Google or Apple, and enable two-factor authentication. If you haven't set up a password or enabled two-factor authentication, don't worry. ESET Home will guide you through these steps. When you are ready to continue, please enter the following fields to be monitored: first name, last name, street, city, postal code, and country. Then click Activate. Once everything is set up, we'll notify you if we detect anything suspicious or that needs your attention. ESET Identity Protection allows you to monitor up to 10 email addresses and 10 IBAN or bank account numbers. Please note that the email used to create your ESET Home account is automatically added for monitoring. You can add up to 9 additional emails, for a total of 10. These extra emails can be updated or removed at any time, but the original ESET Home subscription email remains unchanged. That's it! You are now protected. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. We've prepared many other tutorials on how to download and install your protection, activate specific security features, and manage your subscription. Check them out on our channel. Thank you for choosing ESET Security.
When technology enables progress, ESET is here to protect it. ESET Cybersecurity. Progress protected.